look at?
Look at the bunny.
Yes? Let's go see what else we can
Oh,
find.
it's so cute. And that one's sleeping.
Just to look at it.
It's a guinea pig right there. Bunny.
Look how big that bunny is.
Woo! Oh, let's go look at the birds.
Endangered species. These little guys, they're very popular in the pet trade. They're called sun conures. They actually should have two of them.
Uh-oh. Oh, is it one right there? Underneath? Right there?
Yes. Okay. Thank you. Everything here is fairly young, and I just stuck my hand in the bird. Oh yeah, you can hold it on.
Big one? Well, try the little one first.
Oh. Oh, you're a pirate. Oh.
And
Sure.
did somebody want to hold anybody else?
Yeah.
All right.
Can you hold the parrot or no?
Yeah, you can hold the one, the macaw. Come on, Barbosa. Come on, Barbosa.
Megan, here.
What?
Film me holding the parrot. Oh.
Well, you can, but Barbosa is being stubborn right now.
Yeah.
She's been passed around a lot today, so I'm not so sure she wants to be handled anymore. But Soleil can. Okay, who wants to hold Soleil? My upside down bird. Are you showing off? Are you ready for the? All right. Go ahead. Oh,
Whoa.
and somebody, thank you.
Birdie on the ground.
Good.
Are you ready for me?
Bird down, more likely.
So beautiful.
Aw.
Be careful, he's going to poop on you.
No, that's not bad. Al, can you get him when it comes to my neck? I get like, oh, gee.
You like the weight.
I know.